this straight leg raise assessment. So I'm just going to place my foot under the bottom of your knee. Is that okay? Great. And so what you must do with this one is, a lot of people get this wrong. They switch up their feet. Your leg that's closer to her head has to go under the knee. So if you can lift your knee a little bit. Yep, thank you. Straighten out your leg. Let's get feet pointing straight up towards the ceiling. Good. Both knees are locked. So, and what I need you to do is to bring this left leg up slowly with control. So a lot of people will just launch their leg, bend their knee, and they just want to try to get it as high as possible. So this is not an evaluation of how flexible you are, or how good you are, or how fast you can bring your leg up. Shit, I'm gonna cut that out. Sorry. Can do that one more time. So the next one that we're gonna do is a straight leg raise. So this assessment is to check to see what the client's range of motion is in the lower body. So I'm just gonna slide my foot under the bottom of your knee. So both feet are gonna be pointing straight up. Your feet, you wanna get it about the same width as your hips. Gotta be careful though, when you set up, a lot of people get this wrong, they mix up their legs. You need to get the leg that's closer to the client's head under the bottom of the knee. Okay? And then the other thing is, you wanna make sure that they know, your clients know this is not a A plus, B plus, C minus type of assessment. Okay? You wanna see where your client's baseline range of motion is. So slowly with control, with the left knee locked, can you bring your left leg up slowly with control as far as you're comfortable going, and then pause for a moment when you get to the position at the top. Okay, stop there. Okay, back down. So why I stopped her there is because her knee started coming off of my foot. Her left foot also started turning out. So this is a compensatory pattern that you typically see when people take a command from you. And it's not because they're trying to disagree or try to just do a good job on the flexibility assessment. So let's try it again. So you're gonna do a best of 3, take a best out of 3 tries. After 3 attempts, you wanna stop because then fatigue sets in, compensatory patterns start kicking in. So if you can do it one more time, slowly with control. Okay, and then stop there. So one more time. Okay, good. So where you're going to score it is, where you want to landmark is the medial malleolus, the ankle bone here on the inside. Okay, back down. In this case, she's a score of 2. So back down. So if the inside of the ankle bone goes to your ASIS, farther, closer to her feet, if it gets here, it's a score of 1. If it gets to your belly button, it's a score of 2. If it gets to your ASIS closer to her head, it's a score of 3. If it goes here or more. Okay, so one more time, if you can come up and pause at the top. So hold it there. So her ankle bone is here. It's somewhere between my ASIS and my belly button, so I would give her a score of 2. Now you need to check both sides, so back down. So if I can have you just reposition so your head's over here, I'm going to check your right leg. Wait, I just checked your left leg, right? Yeah. Okay. So feet a little bit wider. Good. So again, lock your right knee, bring it up slowly with control. Good. Back down. And if you can go in slow motion. Excellent. Okay, good. And again, her ankle bone is here, my hip is here. When in doubt, give them a lower score. Back down. Sorry. So again, slowly up with control. Okay. And I would actually score this a 3. So in her case, her right leg is actually more flexible. Okay, so just a reminder, this is a score of 1, belly button score of 2, the ASIS closer to her head is a score of 3. Feeling okay? Yeah. Okay, so that is it. And then if you can stand up.